Okay, so today is a monumental day.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. So I have my brother here to do the unboxing with me because this is something that we've been waiting to unbox for years. Our family has seen this product, our friend has this product, and it's the one and only Berkey Water Filter. So we've been wanting this for a while, and basically it purifies water, and you can pretty much put any kind of water and it'll purify it except for like salt water, because that's just too salty. We also got the fluoride and arsenic reduction filter, so it filters out fluoride, arsenic 5 pre-oxidized, arsenic 3, and heavy metal ions. Okay, so let's get it open. Alright, so now let's get it open. Oh! This looks like the rubber stand that it goes on, or it could be just necklace. So let's assemble it. So right now I just put the knob in, so it's just a screw and a little knob and you just like tighten it. Pretty simple. Okay, so now we're gonna install the spigot. So what you do, you have the spigot, so it goes on like this, like that, and that goes inside the container. And then on the inside, this flat washer goes there. And then you take this nut and then you screw that on. Okay. So once that's on, now we have to install these parts. So for these we have the fluoride filters that came, or we bought it with it. You have to take off these blue caps. There's gonna be one on each side. So you take off the blue caps, and before you use it, you have to purge the filter to take out any of like dust or whatever may have gotten. So it comes with this thing that says you have to put it on top, and then run it under the cold water until the water that comes out from this end is clear. So you would, I guess, put it like this. Oh, yeah, I see the
color is it?
It's like white, like weird, like cloudy white. So you gotta remember, you have to do the same thing we did to the fluoride ones, to the black ones, because this needs to be primed before use. So what you do is do the same thing from the top, and then this black cylinder needs to sweat water for about 5 seconds. So
5 seconds?
yeah, for about 5 seconds. So
it's sweating.
So yeah,
that's good.
So that's good So that's good, and then you just do the same thing to the other one. Okay, to install these parts, you take this element and then you put it inside. So I guess you put it inside so that it's like this, like that, right? It screws on. Just
Rubber washer, then
you screw it on just unless it's the other way around. Get that on there. Okay, so that once that's on, we just gotta put the second one on, put it on in the same way. Let's see. And so these ones, say if you only have 2 filters, this is what you would use to plug the holes. You just take it, plug it in. So now, could you hold this up? So now, these fluoride filters we got they attach to the bottom of the black filters. So I just screw them on. Screw it on. Go out the filter. Yeah, it has to go through so many things. Okay, and then
Like just water flowing through it.
oh, and you just do the same to the other side. Okay, and this is after we purged it. So if you don't purge it, it's gonna have like dust, and when we were filtering out, you could see the water was kind of cloudy. So make sure you purge the filters before you do so. So I guess when you're done with that, you put it on top.
Don't forget the rubber base.
Okay, so this is what it looks like when you lift it up. So you have the fluoride filters right there. The 2 plugs, since we only have 2, you can see the 2 plugs over there. And then inside, and you got the black filters that we just cleaned.
Okay.
To top it all off,
Here, hold the other side.
okay, we'll put it on top. So as you guys might see, this project was made in iMovie, and fun fact, this video was made almost a year and a half ago, almost 2 years. So this is actually a really old video. You can see we're wearing sweaters and beanies and scarves because it was around December when we filmed this, so that was like really cold. Yeah, it's a really old video, but the information is still relevant, and it still will help you guys with the Berkey. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this video was helpful to you. Check out our other videos on this channel. Share with anybody who you think might benefit from it. We're going to be releasing more videos soon. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Catch you later.